If you're in Baguio and you want good food with cool weather and cozy Japanese vibe, you should dine in here at Tenya Baguio. Hello mga best! May Tenya na din pala dito sa Baguio, just beside Rocks and right across the iconic La Peral White House. Just a few minutes lang from city center by taxi. Pagpasok pa lang, para ka na rin dinala sa old Japanese countryside house. Cozy vibes, wood interiors, and ang favorite ko, this window side dining area na may view ng pine trees. Very relaxing, perfect escape from the city noise. Now, let's talk about the food. For starters, we had tempura nori chips, crunchy, light, and addicting. They also have onigiri na pwede for a quick Japanese snack on the go. We tried the spicy salmon and the creamy kani. And syempre, since malamig ang panahon dito sa Baguio, we tried their new roasted black sesame ramen. The soup base is so flavorful, medyo nutty siya, rich, and full of umami. For the full experience, I recommend for you to get the set meal. May kasama siyang basket of crispy ebi and veggies, tempura tendon, juicy karaage, Japanese rice. Time is slower here at Tenya Baguio. Super sulit and we definitely enjoyed our late lunch day. So mga best, if local ka man o turista sa Baguio, craving for Japanese food, dine in here at Tenya Baguio. Tara, let's eat!